Hello, crypto. Welcome to Daily Crypto Update. Today is March 30, 2023. Starting with Bitcoin, you can see this is Bitcoin futures. Finding some selling here. It's okay. It's just a flat day today, nothing much. And this is my chart here. You can see we still have divergence on PPO and RSI. If I draw it here on PPO, this is PPO, and this is divergence on RSI and PPO. What that means? Price is going higher, but RSI and PPO is going lower. So we need to be a bit careful, but I'm still expecting a pump. You can see until mid-May, I'm expecting a pump. You can see now we are going and touching this box here. Okay, if I zoom in a bit, you can see what's going on here. Now we are going in and going into this resistance box here. Okay, so there is minor cycle here. Okay, so what can happen, you can see what's going on here. There are two minor cycles above this major cycle. So there's a significant risk here around June, July timeframe. But right now we are in the middle of this minor cycle. So what can happen, we can most probably first week of April, it's possible we will top out a bit, then have some downside here. So what it will look like, we're going to chop around here a little bit more upside. Okay, and then probably a little bit of downside here in the middle of the cycle, then again a pump, and then eventually significant downward move here. Okay, so my target to buy again in crypto will be around 24 to 23 to 25k. This is a big support zone here. I don't think we're going to fill this 20k gap based on this massive move up. There's no possibility of filling that gap, and then I also have my 5 to 10% prediction chances of filling this 35k gap. I showed you guys yesterday. This possible this could be a flag. Okay, so it is possible this could be a flag. If I draw a trend line from here, it is possible this could be a flag, and if it breaks out, okay, the target will be about 35k. Okay, so that's only 5 to 10% probability going there, and that's why I have this red arrow. And then also 5 to 10 possibility going down here, because after this bullish move, which was, let's quickly see, from bottom here to the top, after this 50% move to go to like fill 20k gap is like going down to like almost 30%. Okay, that's very unlikely after this massive move to have that kind of down move. Okay, so that's my trade plan. So again, recap, right now it's not the time to go long. Just hold your positions, or sorry, sell your positions if you bought here, and you should be looking to buy later on. Be patient on crypto. Okay, the time to buy is gone. The time to buy was here. Wait for a dip in this zone. Okay, if you get a dip here around mid of early May, try to buy here or try to buy here. This will be the ideal buy time to buy. So just be patient, collect your cash, save money, look to buy again here. Okay, or look to short. But again, I won't advise shorting, because who knows, crypto can have this bullish move and then we close this 35k. So you don't want to be running for hills at that time. Ethereum, same thing, basically a bit weaker than Bitcoin, but again, same concept. There is this resistance around 1950. So, and then there are these basically support zones. There's also a massive gap here, low. So from bottom to top, Ethereum was up only 36%. So it is quite possible Ethereum can sell down if Bitcoin comes down. It is possible it could come down somewhere in this gap, and then probably look to fill this gap around this time in May, June timeframe. Okay, so that's my update on Ethereum. And also one other thing, let's go to Ethereum futures. Let's see what happened. It printed a green dot, okay, after falling by the red dot. So that means bearish stuff is kind of behind us. It should be looking for a little bit of bullish move, but just focus on Bitcoin. Let's quickly look at Bitcoin futures. It's still showing green dot. It's still not showing red dot. Okay, so focus on Bitcoin and trade other coins based on Bitcoin. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin market cap and see if we find any clues here. So if I go to weekly Bitcoin market cap, so okay, so it's finding resistance where it should be. So you can see it's flagging now here. So if Bitcoin really needs to break this Bitcoin market cap to go to next level of 35k, if it doesn't, then it will start to sell down. Okay, you can see the time this is a big resistance zone. Okay, big resistance in this area. So if it doesn't break, I can show you here. If I would like to see a breakout to go higher. That will be like really a good start of all season. Like I want to see a breakout and then stabilize like this. That will be like an all season getting ready. But until it gets above this area, until it breaks out above this area, you can see even here, there's a lot of resistance here, support here. It acted as a support, broke down resistance, and then broke out, and now then all season started. So you really need, Bitcoin really needs to break out of this 47% area for the start of all season. Okay, so be mindful of that. Okay, guys, if you like my video, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. It's all free. So I will really be very thankful. Please hit the like. Okay, thanks and have a good day. We'll meet again tomorrow and will be happy Friday. Bye.